start this video with a riddle. Guess what this is? It's complex, it's tedious for investors, but if you try it on ClearTax, it is effortless. Yes, you guessed it right. That's capital gains tax calculation. ClearTax provides a simple tool to those trading on the Kotak Securities platform to capture the capital gains details. Unlike other platforms, you can simply copy your trading information on the ClearTax Excel tool and upload it on the platform. It will automatically capture the data in the relevant fields and compute capital gains tax based on the details captured. Hello and welcome, I am Prarthana from Clio. We have assisted more than 6 million tax filers. Do subscribe to our channel to stay updated on tax and finance related concepts. Watch this video till the very end to learn to use the ClearTax Excel tool to know your capital gains tax. Let me first show you from where to download the ClearTax Excel sheet template. To download the ClearTax Excel template, you have to log into your ClearTax account. So let's get started. Go to the www.cleartax.in website and click on the Get Started button. Click on the Try Now button as shown here to file ITR and log into your account. Add your PAN card number and date of birth to link your PAN. You can proceed with the OTP verification through IT department registered mobile number or Aadhaar registered mobile number. This is a mandatory step by the income tax department. After successfully linking your PAN, you can now pre-fill all your personal and income details on ClearTax. Just give your consent to pre-fill the data by once again doing the OTP verification. After successfully completing the OTP verification, you can start with filling in your capital gains details. Just go to the income sources and click to add capital gains details as shown on the screen. Now click here if you sold any assets. Investors trading on the Kotak Securities platform can capture their capital gains details using the ClearTax Excel template. You can download the same as shown here. Now comes the most exciting part where you feel that yes, capital gains tax calculation cannot be easier than this. Are you following me? If yes, please comment yes in the comment section below. Open the Excel file downloaded and fill in the information. Please read the instruction sheet in detail before beginning to use the Excel sheet. You have to keep certain things in mind while filling in the information in the Excel tool. First, fill in all the details in the Excel sheet from the capital gains statement provided by the brokerage firm. Secondly, if you have sold equity shares during the financial year, enter the transaction details in the sheet named Sales of Shares. And if you have redeemed mutual fund units, then enter the details in the sheet named Sale of Mutual Funds. Third, you can copy and paste the information if the capital gain statement is available in Excel format. Fourthly, it is important that you avoid certain mistakes while entering the details manually. Let's see what they are. If you have redeemed units from the systematic investment plan, enter transaction-wise details instead of consolidating all the figures. It is allowed to copy the details in bulk and paste them into the sheet. For equity shares transaction and equity mutual funds, you are required to mention the ISIN details mandatorily. Don't change the cell format. While pasting the values, use the paste special function in the Excel. The data in columns H, J and L in the sales of shares sheet are auto-calculated. You should not delete or alter the same. It is the same case for the data in columns I, K and M in the sale of mutual funds sheet, which are also auto-calculated. Now let's proceed with saving the Excel template and uploading it on ClearTax. Just click on the upload file. Now choose the report provider as ClearTax template, upload the file below and proceed. That's all. In this way, you can upload thousands of shares and mutual fund transactions in a minimum time slot. The capital gains transaction will be automatically captured under the head capital gains and intraday, and F&O transaction will be captured under business income. Isn't it simple for Kotak Securities platform users to report their capital gains tax on ClearTax platform? So folks, you can take a self-filing plan of ClearTax and yourself fill in thousands of capital gains transaction details in a hassle-free manner and save a lot of time. We also have a plan where you can avail expert assistance for return filing that also provides post-return filing support. Furthermore, we are also available to assist you live online for 100% accurate and transparent filing. I hope this video was helpful for you. For tax filing or financial related queries, you can contact our experts by clicking on the chat link provided in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and stay tuned for more updates. Take care and goodbye.